I like working with the hand that can keep it down steady. Stay away from petty, keep your mind on the intention. Always keep it ready, be the real and not confetti. Keep a grip and make it linger, I don't need no chicken fingers. Always grabbing something that you can't hold on to. Say you gonna do it when you know that you don't want to. You procrastinate till the clock run out on you. Tell me what you gon' do, I'll tell you what you don't do. I don't need no chicken finger, I don't need no chicken finger. Get a grip and make it linger, get a grip and make it linger. I don't need no chicken finger, I don't need no chicken finger. Every time you try to get a grip, you make it slip. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold, and show me what you're made of. Be strong and don't sell out your own soul for something only made of. The fire comes only to burn away what's covering up with makeup. How else will you finally recognize the realest from the faker? If you don't wanna do it, then you don't have to do it. I guarantee you someone else will put their heart into it. The laws of nature rules it, so I just keep it fluid. I'll let the law of selection decide who makes it through it, and I'll just keep it steady. Walk out the door, I'm ready. I never know when opportunity come knocking at me. I call it chicken fingers, a reliable demeanor. In that case, I don't need you, you can keep your chicken fingers. Unreliable demeanor, you can keep your chicken fingers. Keep it steady, no spaghetti, I don't want your fake confetti. You can't linger, just a dreamer, I don't need your chicken fingers. Since you cannot keep a grip, here's me giving you the slip. I gotta let you go, cause you can't do the task is there in front of you. Maybe you don't know how, maybe you bit off more than you can chew. But this I know for sure, unless you get a grip on the task that's there in front of you, you can't make it through. There's one thing that I just don't do, it's chicken fingers. 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 Chicken fingers.